Okay guys, this is the second one that we've made. We've made this one. Now we're making the second one. So, this is part 2. They are joined together, but we're just going to do it in part 2. Okay? So, first, it's going to be like that. And then you're going to fold this bit like we did with the other airplane into like that. Push it like that. Straight to the edges. Like that. Open this up. And then fold that over to a little bit like that. Put 3 inches or something like that. I mean 1 inch. Straighten these bits like that, so I walk like that. So this bit over it like this line. Like about that. Then it will look like that. Then guys, we fold this bit over like this. Straighten that bit up. Then fold it over like that. So then guys, make sure these bits have edges like this, a triangle in the middle. And when you've done that, it will look like that. But if it doesn't have these bits, you can go back and check if you've done it right. Okay? So then guys, turn it around. So when it's like that, just turn it around and then fold that over like that. So it'll look like that. And then like that. So then you fold that, and then when you've done that, you fold that over like that. Straighten it onto the sides. And then do the same on the other side. Then guys, when it's like that, fold this in half like we've done with the other airplane. Straighten it. Then fold that over like that. Then, when you've done that, straighten the other side. And then if you want to add something to it, you can have some scissors and then cut that bit in half like that. So, you know what I mean? Like cut it like that, then push it up. Or maybe if you want it to be easy, you can just push it up like that. Like that. If you want to. You don't have to. I'm going to go try doing that. It's okay, it doesn't matter about that noise. So then it will look like that. And then underneath it, it will have a line like that. Thank you for watching guys.